NVIDIA closed the day over $1,150, guys. Check this out. So currently NVIDIA is sitting at 1,156 after hours, and it closed the day exactly at $1,150. Check this out right here. This company is a bomb. I honestly think it's gonna go to 1,200 before the split in 5 days. So today's Monday, Friday. This is gonna get cut down by 10, so it's gonna be at $115, and it's gonna be absolutely insane seeing it at that price. It doesn't change fundamentally or the market cap wise. It just, the price is the only thing that really changes. So you don't win or make or lose money. You just get 10 extra shares if you guys know how the split works. So in this video, we're just gonna be looking at what NVIDIA could be doing in the next few days leading up to this split. And we're going to be looking at the trades I made on NVIDIA today, because I do have an account where I'm doing a challenge of $50K to $1 million challenge. So let's see how it goes with that challenge. And I actually made around $3,500 today trading NVIDIA stock, you know, buying shares on the low and selling high, because I do not like to sell options or buy options. I only sell options or buy shares and trade shares, which is what we did on today's trade. So if we go over here on X, and you guys can follow me on X at Randy Stocks. Look right here, Randy Stocks with 2 S's. You guys are actually going to be able to see that I made around here 3,500, 3 NVIDIA trades today. And this was the very first one. So I bought this on Friday. Sold it exactly at 9:30 in the morning. This one, I bought it at 1,088 because Friday, look, NVIDIA was an absolute bomb to the downside. So if we actually, let's go on the 1 hour so we can see this. If we go on the 1 hour, we're gonna be able to see NVIDIA on Friday. It was all the way up here around 1,050, 1,057, and it absolutely collapsed to like 1,070, 1,080s, and that was when I scooped up. You know, during the end of the day, I was like, let me hop on board because they have the event where they introduced Ruben. Nobody knew they were gonna introduce Ruben, and it was a bump. Look at this gap. NVIDIA just absolutely gapped up on that news, and that was where we made this first trade of these $2,400. Then NVIDIA fell during the morning after that. So if we actually go down on the 5 minute, we're going to be able to see the drop on NVIDIA right here. So after it gapped up in the morning, it had a little drop right here to 10:30, around 10:30. It actually fell to 10:20, 10 or actually 11:20. My bad. It fell to 11:20, but I scooped up in around 11:30 after selling around 11:45, 11:42, around there. Got on that, made another like $500 on that one right here, $566. And then during the end of the day, I don't have the screenshot, but I have it right here so you can see these are the 3 trades right here. During the end of the day, I bought again right here. It was 2 buys right here, and then sold another one for another $500. And because after hours, it just completely exploded. So if you guys can see right here, after 4 o'clock, look at this, 4 o'clock, it was closed exactly at 1,050. It exploded like $5 more. And I was in, took profit. And I'm actually back in NVIDIA again right now for another trade, guys. So I actually got in at 1,154 right here. $1,154, and we're up around $140, $130 on that one. I'm gonna see if I could get an extra $1,000 on this trade right here. And this is the $50,000 account right here, guys. So we're by 60,000. Right now, what are we? Year to date, we're up $10,425, which is honestly good. We're just gonna see. Or look, it updated right now. We're gonna try to take this account to $1 million. I hope to do it in like 4 or 5 years, hopefully. Let's see if we could do it. You know, just selling cash pure puts, covered calls. Some tries trading shares. Look, I have a NVIDIA Leap right here, or a Tesla Leap. NVIDIA shares down here for the trade. So let's see how this account goes. And as for NVIDIA, honestly, what's next? Let's go down on the daily, or up on the daily, so we can see what's going to be coming next, guys. Honestly, on NVIDIA, I think 1,200 is coming, guys, before the split. Honestly, because history shows that these stocks before splits, people FOMO buy into them. Then after the splits, absolute tank. Which honestly, I don't know if that'll be the case for NVIDIA, but I think 1,200 is where it's honestly going to be gunning for. If you don't want to go off 1,200, which is a no man's land level, look at this down here. We could honestly come back all the way down and honestly tank to that 1,070, which I don't think we're going to tank to that 1,070 because we're going to have to break 1,100. And before we even get as low as to 1,100, we're going to have to break this 1,020 of today. So we have a lot to break if we want to go down. If we go down, expect this 1,120. Break that. Expect 1,100, and then from there, if that tanks, I think we could fly down immediately to this 1070. Give up extra $30. But if we break this right here, I think we're gonna honestly fly. If we break this 1058 right here, or this 1158, this is gonna be an absolute bomb. I think 1200 is in the books. So honestly, that's what I see in NVIDIA these next few days. Let's see what's gonna be happening, guys, and that's all I have for you guys. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.